I just did 50 dead listings, the kind that sits at 0 views for months, and fixed them all in about 10 minutes. Not by deleting them, not by renewing them, by changing 3 specific things across all 50 at once. So I'll show you exactly what a dead listing needs, the 3 fixes to bring it back to search, and how to do a whole batch at once. So let's go. There are 2 kinds of dead. The first, a listing getting 0 or almost 0 views. Nobody is actually seeing it. That's a relevance problem. It doesn't know what search to show it for. The second, a listing is getting views but no sales. People see it and walk past. That's a conversion problem. Today we go after the first one because that's where the bulk fixing actually pays off. So find them. Go into your Etsy stats and look at all your listings, sort them by views. Those flat lines near 0 are your batch. Select them. On a real shop, you will find dozens hiding and you will have no idea how many. Let's fix them all at once. 3 fixes in the order of impact. Fix 1, the tags, the most important one and where all the dead listings actually die. It's the tags video at scale. 13 distinct validated phrases, no repeated words, no single words. If your dead listings are full of single words or repeated words, you're wasting space. That's usually the reason you're not getting any views. Fix 2, the front of the title. Lead with the primary keyword in the front of your title, the primary keyword which is most hyper relevant to the product you're trying to sell. If a listing opens with cute, handmade, lovely gift, Etsy can't tell what it is. So it ranks for nothing. Open with an actual search you want to win and you can win. Fix 3, the attributes. Fill everyone possible. Color, size, dimension, material, everything that you can. Etsy turns them into extra tags automatically, and most dead listings have half of them blank. Free relevance you are leaving on the table. So tags matters, attribute matters, photos and price matter too, but those are for views but no sales kind. For a listing that nobody is seeing, these 3 are enough to bring them back into search. And it's the same 3 on every listing, and that is exactly why you can edit them in bulk. The reasons why most sellers never clean up their dead listings is because editing each listing one by one is soul crushing. So I don't. I select the whole batch and apply the fixes across them at once. Swap weak tags for validated phrases, switch the primary keyword to the front of every title, fill missing attribute. The time machine in Listadum keeps track of all my changes, so if I want to change it back, it's there. One honest caveat, because I don't want to ever oversell this, Etsy's own bulk editor can do some of this, but it's limited. It won't take you all the way. And that's one reason we build proper bulk edit tooling in Listadum, so you actually have to spend time onboarding things. By hand, it's still doable. You don't need any tool. It just takes longer than 10 minutes. The method is identical either ways. Look at the quick before and after. Before, single words, repeated tags, keyword missing in title, generic titles, and after, a beautiful neat listing, hyper-targeted for the search that I'm trying to win. Same 50 products, gone from being invisible to showing up in search. Now we just have to wait and watch and see what happens. So a dead listing is usually not dead. It's mistagged, badly titled, missing attributes. Fix those 3 in bulk and you bring entire shop back into search in one sitting. But the flip side, sometimes a listing that was doing fine suddenly drops off the cliff. That's not a bulk fix. That's diagnosis. The next video, the 3 reasons why your Etsy views suddenly fall and which reason hit you. Click it and let's keep going. And if you want to see exactly which of your listings are dead and fix them in bulk, the free check in the description will do that for you in seconds. And if you find this advice useful, follow for more. See you in the next one.